Hi guys, it's Debra from Time is Jewel by Debra. Today we are opening up a Salami, Georgia 15-piece jewelry box. I received this on 10/28 of 23. I hope everyone's doing really well. Well, that last 15-piece box we had with that J King was phenomenal. So, let's pray that we get some stuff like that. And that J Crew was spectacular. If you have not seen that video, it was fantastic. That was just a great container. All right, so I ordered this October 23rd of 2023. I told you guys. I love to save my boxes. I have some older than this. All right, looks like we got bags. See if I got everything. Nope. There's a little runaway in there. All right, so I'm going to take everything out. We're supposed to get 15 pieces. Looks like we've got a few bags here. So there can be multiple pieces in each bag. So I am going to open them up and let's see. All right, so let's see how many pieces we got. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4. I always check the bags because sometimes they get stuck. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lots of earrings, it looks like. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so there are items. What I'm going to do is I'll spread everything out. I will get you prices, sizes, and all the prices I will be giving you are subscriber prices. eBay, that would be double or triple. So I love to give you guys first dibs. So, all right, I will be back in 1 second. All right, you guys, so we are going to claim by numbers. This is a pretty good lot. All right, let's go and just start off with a bang. So when I first saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, they're ruined. Wow, that is a signature mark. These are by Cult Gaia, G-A-I-A. These are their signature dipped, and they're pink and clear. I don't know if you can see that. Earrings. Now, the prices on this are all over the place. I've seen them on the Real like this for about $120. At first, I was like, oh, so that's why research is really key. So they are an acrylic earring. This is their signature yellow dip, as they call it. Their earrings on their website run anywhere from $88 to $198. For these, we will go ahead and do 40 on them, and these are about 2 inches, and that would be number 1. All right. Research is key. All right, number 2. It's a pair of gold tone and green earrings. They're really pretty. No maker's mark on them. They are pierced. Really pretty. They measure in about 3/4 of an inch. So number 2, we'll go ahead and do those for $5. Okay, number 3 are beautiful. So these give me the Van Cleef and Arpels look, but these are Ann Taylor, excuse me. They are marked on the back on the earring piece. Mother of pearl, rhinestones all around. Absolutely stunning earrings. We will go ahead and do number 3 for $8. So pretty. Number 4 are really beautiful as well. Inside out, and what I mean by that is there's rhinestones on the inside, rhinestones on the outside, so that way they can see you coming and going. These are 2-inch hoops. They are silver tone for pierced ears. These are number 4. We'll go ahead and do those for $8. They are gorgeous. Okay, number 5, Kendra Scott. So these are gold tone. They are marked somewhere. Oh, right there. Oh, upside down. All right, these are the Kendra Scott Danielle earrings in gold tone. We can go ahead and do these for $25. Number 6 is really pretty. This is really plated well. There is some wear here. This is not really testing as druzy. It does move it a little bit into quartz, so I'm not sure if it's been enhanced. It is a beautiful cuff. We can go ahead and do 12 on that. All right, so moving on to number 7. This is the best condition bourbon and bow ties bracelet I've ever received. Usually they're all filthy. This is in fantastic condition. So this is green aventurine. Isn't that beautiful? It fits 7 inches on the bracelet mandrel. It is in fantastic condition. We can do number 7 for $10. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay, number 8. Okay, you guys, this is pretty cool. I love this. So this is a Marc Jacobs watch. So you have A, B, rhinestones, and then this. It does need a battery. Now the plastic is still on the back. It doesn't look like it's been worn, but there is some like markings here, so I'm not sure if that can be cleaned up or not. And there is a tiny like surface scratch. You can't see it unless you're looking for it, and I could only see it because I was moving it in the light. And then I put my finger like this and I could feel it. It's right there. So it's really difficult to see. But this is the Marc Jacobs MJ3477 watch. And I believe this one is called the Date. We can go ahead and do it for $40 since there is that scratch and it needs some cleanup. Beautiful. Nice quality watch. All right, number 9 is super cute. I saw this and I go, Color Street, isn't that a nail company? So I don't know if it's the same company, but it is Color Street. This is a Bolo silver tone with a really pretty blue, purple, acrylic, and rhinestone bracelet. It is adjustable. This one is called the Northern Woods Blue Iridescent. We can go ahead and do $6 on that for number 9. Okay, number 10. I've got 2 matching pieces, but I'll sell them separate because not everybody likes matchy-matchy. So this is a J. Crew, and it's a faux raffia stretch bracelet. It's really pretty. It's in a beige or ecru color, light beige, gold tone. Number 10, we'll go ahead and do that for 8, J. Crew. Okay, now we have number 11, which is the matching necklace. There is one piece here that needs to be like glued down. Let me see if I can even find it right there. Do you guys see that? Right there. So it would need a little bit of some kind of a glue, but it is a really pretty J. Crew necklace. It is number 11, same color. It's 16 inches. You could add another extender on this. We can go ahead and do 10 on that, and it does need that little glue job. All right, that was number 11. Okay, number 12 is another J. Crew piece. So this is iconic for them. They have the faux tortoiseshell acrylics, gold or brass tone. I would call it more of a brass tone necklace. It does have a little bit extra there of a extender. It can measure anywhere from like 16 to 18 inches. We can go ahead and do 10 on that, and that's number 12. Okay, number 13 is beautiful, you guys. It's new with the tag. Let me lay this out. Okay, so we have, I'm going to move you guys up again. Sorry. Okay. Whoops, I just knocked you. All right. So number 13 is Anne Klein. Beautiful 3-strand necklace. Sells for $60. I did see this on Amazon for $60 as well, and on other websites a little bit less, but it is so beautiful. So this is like the Blanc Pearl. It's 3 strands. It has the toggle closure here, and you measure down from where it's sitting now to 14, 16, 18 inches. Really a beautiful piece. We will go ahead and do $20 for that. What a lovely gift. Okay, number 14 is Altered States. Let me get this laid out. I didn't want to take it off. So it's Altered States. Stand Out for Good, white gold dipped necklace. It is dainty. And it says a portion of the proceeds from every Altered State brand purchase will be donated to feed, clothe, and educate children. How neat is that? So it's a little like rhinestone there. Really dainty, nice piece. I assume it's about 18 to 20 inches. I didn't want to take it out of there. We can go ahead and do, let's do 10 on that. And that was number 14. Okay. Number 15 is so pretty. Okay, so this is a Kendra Scott piece. Isn't that beautiful? At first when I saw it, I was like, hey, that's got to be Kendra Scott. And then I saw a piece that looked like this, similar to this, that was Bryten. And so I had to do my research again. Let me move you guys down a little bit. It's beautiful. So this is the Kendra Scott Casey. It's an adjustable bolo necklace. It's silver tone. So you adjust here. And again, this is what it looks like. Isn't it really just a beautiful piece? We can go ahead and do the Kendra Scott for 15. All right, you guys. So how you claim is you email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com with the video name and the item you are interested in. And that's it. And I will keep a completed sold list. Don't forget, the collab video is going on now. There's 7 days of giveaways. And all the information will be listed down below with all the links of everyone that's in it. So my time is this coming Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you guys, you need to be there. I got a great box. All right, you guys. Well, you have a fantastic day wherever you are in this crazy little world of ours. And don't forget, please tell someone you love them today. It is important. I'll talk to you guys soon. Don't forget, email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. Bye, you guys.